to remove Temu minimum purchase limits. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Temu on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Temu account. Then click on New at the bottom right corner of your screen, which will lead you to this page. In here, click on the headphones icon at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on the headphones-like icon, it will lead you to this page. Now in here, simply scroll down and at the bottom, click on Contact Us. After you've clicked on Contact Us, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you can simply type in your issue, which is could you remove Temu minimum purchase limit, and send it. After you've sent it, Temu will get back to you. As you can see in my case, it is sending this kind of message. There are two options in here. Simply click on the option you prefer. In my case, I'll simply press on yes, I would like to add more products, and it will help you. This is how to remove Temu minimum purchase limit. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.